Hey signers! Today we're talking about a topic that's becoming increasingly important and relevant in our society, and that is mental health. With so much emphasis being placed on our mental well-being, it's important to know how to express our emotions and thoughts in American Sign Language. So today we're going to learn how to sign mental health signs. It is important to note that these signs are meant for conversational purposes. If a deaf person attends a therapy session, the clinic is required to provide an interpreter so both the therapist and the deaf person have seamless communication. Mental health. Mental health. You're pointing to your mind and then the word health. Mental health. Emotions. Emotions. You have hands rotating outwards on your body. Emotions. Depression. Depression. You have your feeler fingers pointing in towards yourself, and you're showing the emotion and the non-manuals of depression and being down. Depression. Grief. Grief. It is showing the form of heartbreak by twisting your heart. Grief. Stress. Stress. You have a non-dominant fist and a dominant hand pushing down the stress. Stress. Anxiety or anxiousness. You have two 5-shaped hands with your dominant shaking back and forth. Think of the outward emotion of anxiety or anxiousness. Exhausted. Exhausted. You have fists that open up, showing your emotions are pouring out. You are exhausted. Overwhelmed. Overwhelmed. Think of the thing that is coming over you. It is overwhelming you. Overwhelmed. Fear. Fear. It's the same as the sign scared. And when you do it, you show the emotion. Fear. Worry. Worry. You have B-shaped hands, and it's like the worries are coming in to your head. Worry. Busy. Busy. Now, if you're really busy, you go to show you're really busy. Busy. Think negatively or pessimism. The sign think and then the sign negative. Think negatively, pessimism. Self-care. Self-care. You have your index finger on your non-dominant hand with an A on your dominant pointing to that person, self, and then the sign take care. Self-care. Thinking positively or optimism. You think and then positive. Optimism or positive thinking. Physical health. Physical health. You have P hands going from the top to the bottom of your body and the sign health. Physical health. Spirit or spiritual. When you sign this, you can use your index and your thumb or your middle finger and your thumb, and it's showing wispiness of a spirit. Spirit or spiritual. Counselor. Counselor. It's the sign counsel or to advise somebody with the agent marker, making it a person. Counselor. Therapy therapy. It's like the sign help, but with a T hand. Therapy. Heal or healing. You have open hands pulling up to fists. Healing, heal. Breathe. Breathe. You are showing the act of breathing in and out. Breathe. Quiet. Quiet. You have 2 B hands coming up from your mouth, putting them down to make something quiet, calm, silent. Quiet. Support. Support. Your dominant hand is pushing up your non-dominant hand, supporting it. Support. Family. Family. It's the letter F's in a group of people. Family. Pray. Pray. It's your hands together looking like you're praying. Pray. Peace. Peace. Your hands come crossed in front of your face, twist, and come down. Peace. Rest or relax. Your arms are crossed over your body like you're resting. Rest or relax. To read. To read. This is the page that you're reading, and your dominant hand is the eyes reading down the pages. To read. Work out or exercise. It's just like you're lifting weights or jumping rope. Work out or exercise. Laugh or laugh. This is showing like a belly laugh going back and forth, or L hands at the side of your face. To laugh, laugh. Break, as in to take a pause, or like a spring break. These represent the weeks in a month. This is showing the break in between. Break. Now let's put these signs into sentences. How have you been feeling lately? Recent emotions, feeling, how you. This past week has been stressful. I need a break. Past week, me, stress. Need, break, me. When I'm feeling anxious, I have myself sit down and be quiet. Me, experience, anxious, do, sit down, quiet me. It's important to take care of yourself. Take care self, important. Thanks for learning with us. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out when we release a new video each week. And while you're at it, leave us a like and a comment. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.